Hello guys, finally I got Google AdSense Pin. So now you will know what is the importance of this AdSense Pin and what can you do when you get this and how you got the Google AdSense Pin in COVID-19 pandemic. So let's start the video. Search on internet AdSense. When you search on internet AdSense, you can get open your account, and after that when you click on the side notification bar, you can get home, ads, sites, blocking, controls, reports, payment, account, and feedback. First you have to go to your payment. Always go to your payment. When you go to your payment, then you have to slide a little bit, and then when you slide a little bit, always just go to manage setting. When you go to manage setting, you have to for change your address, you have to just search on internet Google AdSense. When you open Google AdSense, you have to click on the left top notification bar, the 3 lines of notification. Just click over there. Then you can see the second last option is like payment. When you click on payment, you can see manage address. When you click on payment, you can see manage address. So go to manage address, and after manage address, just change your address and give your perfect address every time, so Google AdSense will reach you. Yeah, because we are not giving the perfect address, that's why it will little bit take longer, and sometimes the post cannot reach to you. So you are the responsible for your address. Give your perfect address every time. Like when you if you don't know, if people don't know you, you have to add son of, like tell your father's name, then your name, then tell your address. It's good thing. Then add your pin, like which your area, what is your area, district, and then your state name, and everybody knows, and then your country name. This is the step how you write your address, so Google AdSense will easily reach you. It's not in America, not every other country if you are from, so you have to use this type of process. I hope if you follow this step, you can easily get the Google pin and your channel will be moved so fast. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you think this video content is good, you can subscribe my channel and like the video. And if you have any query, just send me a message or text me a message on my Instagram or comment below. Okay, thank you so much.